Alright, so I've decided just to start working on the frame. I might as well start there. Everything kind of measures out like it should work fine, so I guess I'll just shim the tub wherever I need to get sit flat. I have straightened that out already. I think I videoed that. I'm debating what exactly cut out first. I'm probably just going to cut this out first because that's small, easy, get that done and over with. After that, I still have to decide whether I want to start on this side or on the bottom here. I'm not sure which way I want to go with this, because the bottom would help take the flex out of it, I think, but the side's easier to get to, so I'm not sure with that, but I think I'll start up here, work my way back. So I've decided that I'm going to try my darnest to get this thing done in the next 2 days, so I can actually use my car on Saturday. So basically, to start off today, I'm going to start by making a patch for this hole that I cut out yesterday. So what I'm going to do, make this real easy. That 90-degree match is that close enough. Take the big ol' Sharpie. Mark out like that. And then what I'm going to do, measure the distance here. Well, not actually measure. Basically just find the distance. Add a smidge. And then and try to run a line that I can see. Apparently that didn't work too hot. I'll figure something out. That was going to be a slick way to do it, but I guess it didn't work. Well, I'll basically find a way to mark it out. I thought that would be easy. Guess it wasn't. But from here, I'll just saw it out and make the patch. Might take a little bit to mark it out a little better right now. Come back when it's cut. I'm going to just quick cut this out on the bandsaw. And that should be the patch. A little bit of grinder work. And a little bit of grinder work, and that'll fit nice. Alright, got it set up for grinding. Found this handy grinding tab jig here. Just throw a can't twist clamp on there. I think I couldn't remember what these are called. Love them. They work great. got that solidly on there. Just going to grind that little nubby off. And I think that's all the grinding this patch will require. A little bit of grinding in the hole and it should fit nicely. Just going to take that little nubby off. Just kind of breaking the edges. And that should be done. Yeah, it's a little bumped. Let me check it for fit. Yep, needs a little more off. Check the fit up. Yeah, that'll be good. Alright, I got the fit up pretty good. After I get the V in there for welding, that'll fit real nice. But it looks like I gotta go, so unfortunately that's all I'm going to get for right now. Hopefully I'll be able to get back later and get this actually installed. Well, I'm back again. Well, as you can see, it's getting pretty late. So I'm just kind of going into get it done mode right now. A little bit less on the filming. So I'm going to go ahead, get this all fitted up perfectly and welded in nice and flush. And so I'll apologize in advance if I don't take too much more video here. I just want to get this done as fast as possible. I really want to have it done by the weekend. Today's Thursday, so I'll only have another full day tomorrow to really work on this. So looks like it might be a long night, and I'm just going to kind of bust my rear end on this right now.